I did not expect you guys to be as into this as I am, but your response was overwhelming. Jory, stick with it. You're not a quitter. Don't give up on anything. You can do anything you put your mind to. At the grocery store today, there are two. They say they're from the same place, but there's two different stickers. So I'm thinking they're slightly different regions, and I'm wondering if there's a regional component. So now I can do a two persimmons at the same time. You know what I mean? A little bit of chomp chomp. A little bit of, I'm seeing some fruit on the side. I don't know. I just now realize that means I have to eat two persimmons instead of one this week, which is kind of backwards, but maybe if I just plunge in full bore and go for it, I'll acquire the taste faster. I'm gonna stick with this as long as it takes. This will be a series. I've actually reached out to my friend Rob, thank you Rob Scallon, to make a theme song, so hopefully by next week we'll have that, and then it'll be like a full bore television show. You know, I think someone's gonna pick this up. I believe with Disney Plus and with Hulu, someone's gonna be like, let's sign that kid. So which one should I start with? Both at the same time, you say? I agree with you. I don't know. The right one is only slightly better. Yeah, that one. Neither are good. We might have to table it. I think it was this one. We might have to table this one. No, it was that one. We have to table that one. It's weird. It's juicy, but the taste is like, I think I said it in one of the other episodes. It's like sand, or like it turns your, like glue. Like I'm eating glue. Let's test out the theory about the black spot being mold. Nope. No, not that. Maybe that other one is just rotten. Since then I've stuck to a more firm fruit. Grab life by the persimmon, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. Ah. No. I think that's it for this episode. I'll see you guys next week.